welcome back. So we just had a few clouds to start off the day today, and then we got back into sunshine. Here's a look at the tower cam time lapse in North Platte. And with that sunshine and a strong southerly wind, we did make it up into the lower 70s today. Mainly clear skies. Temperatures really did plummet as we made our way through the evening. First off, here's the high temperatures at 72 at North Platte, 75 at Imperial, mid to upper 60s. You make your way from Valentine to Broken Bow and Lexington. Ogallala had a high near 70. Here's a look at the temperatures outside right now. We're at 31 degrees at North Platte and Broken Bow, low to mid 30s at Ogallala and Lexington, and some upper 30s as you make your way out toward Imperial. So we did over the last several hours lose 40 degrees from our high temperatures for today. So that dry air does cool down pretty quickly. First off, we have that westerly, a little more of a southerly flow where the wind is blowing, but most of us are actually calm right now. And as for the satellite loop, we're starting to get a few clouds off to the south and to the east of Curtis, but most everybody else just has mainly clear skies across the region. So it is clear, and it is calm in terms of the wind. So we got this high just off to our south, and because of that, we got really dry air out there. The temperatures are going to continue to fall as we make our way into the overnight, with most of us into the 20s, but we should be right back up there. We got the dual high pressure system giving us that strong southerly wind near 70 again as we go through the day tomorrow. All the moisture missing us off to the south and to the east, and off the west coast, our next weather maker is this cold front that will come through on Thursday morning and just flip that wind back around to a northerly direction. Other than that, we should stay mainly dry. We got one more day of this really warm air. Temperatures 10 to 20 degrees above average. Some record highs out there. That jet stream well off to our north into the Canadian prairies. So this air mass of 10 to 20 degrees above average was off to our south last week. Now it has moved really far to the north. So going through the overnight, temperatures falling back into the mid to upper 20s, maybe a few more clouds overnight, but more sunshine as we go through the day tomorrow. There's that southerly wind, and temperatures once again getting back to near 70 degrees. That is about 20 degrees above where we should be this time of year. Skycast for the overnight into Thursday morning shows an increase in the clouds, starting off your Thursday morning just after daybreak into the mid 30s. Mostly cloudy as we go through the day on Thursday, and temperatures getting into the lower 60s, so really not that bad for this time of year, even with the clouds, and as you see with the blue arrows here, a northerly wind. Most of the rain on Thursday should stay off to our west if it actually does happen at all. It's a pretty dry weather pattern, so one more day we're in that nice warm sector. We have this cold front making its way through. That's going to happen early Thursday morning, flipping that wind around to more of a northerly direction, but any snow showers really missing us. High pressure is back in charge, giving us a good amount of sunshine as we go through the day on Friday, and the warm air does continue. It will move off to the east, the rain continuing to miss us off to the south. We got that northern jet stream, which does have a ridge in it, with rain and snow well off to the north of us as we stay in that dry and warm weather pattern. Here's your forecast for tonight. Mostly clear skies, and it will be cool. Temperatures falling back into the mid-20s to near 30 degrees. We're right back up there into the upper 60s and lower 70s. Sunny skies and seasonably warm for tomorrow. And Thursday, it's a little cooler, breezy, mostly cloudy, with most of us into the low to mid 60s. That wind flipping around to the north for your Thursday. A little breezy, 15 to 30 miles per hour. 62 on Friday, lots of sunshine, mostly sunny Saturday at 64, and then 54 on Sunday, partly cloudy. We'll have a chance of some showers through the overnight into Monday morning. High of 51 by the afternoon, and 53 for Tuesday with mostly sunny skies. Kent?
You've been in this pattern for so long, it's hard to, what else to say about it?
Yeah, above average and dry, and it looks like we could cool down to round out November, though.
All right, thanks so much. We appreciate that, Justin. And the COVID-19 pandemic